Ni.
Apa Friday? Tambah kamu itu lah singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi manga Melvin Mukim naka film Haling Kabneng na komen ban pentip shepi ba nginwan rab yang sa sisi ni ka film ha ususo tham auditorium na ruga kapra tarik adu lifeway tarik ubnai jemang ki por kilong kanar baje mensngi ar baje mensngi san baje janmiet bat hanyo baje demiet turmen manya kendu biang yepi sa sisin
Kikubor Kapatisi TV Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission na kamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kibrig bejumulian pani didrok sakan ni yingja jong ka sarkar lani ka quarter jong ka tanat forest kabadan hapo Apollo Hills kilalap ya ka mediam usenrang beriau nang ni ka jaka kipulian kadet sakan ni ka jaka panle kabadan kam lalap ya ka ni ka mediam menta ka step jong ka khandai terik jomang aja pun riau lapan tip kipulian de kibrig bejulet didrok sakatu ka jaka kia thu pateng sakiwe pat kani ka di ka jaka kapaka bors nong ru Keladap ban pensngo yang jing I ying ja jong sarkar namal bakin mi bun ki kam runar na kani ka jaka hadu manta ompat itu lakadai gamet yap jongno
Hey, up, ruko. Shwa fin shet da ka jo shi ka jo ko umpnyang balapin don kam. Up shwa, namar ka ne ka kta ya ka kot ka kya jong fi pat kamar yang rukum jo. Da ka ba shet da ka ne ka umpnyang kan tau bonjat ki jingpang. Henry, pim day pat ban the shanala ne ban thang pendo no. Henry, minta ka ruko neka repurpose use cooking oil scheme kala ban pen kala ya kane ko umpnyang syaka biodiesel tinamar kata lemba ka ruko kakot kakya par kamaryang rukan umktasyo.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.